From south to north, from domestic to foreign countries, from Asia to Europe, the LED optoelectronics products of Shenzhen Top Technology Company Limited shows up in a magnificent way, deducting the fabulous splendor of modern photoelectric all around the world. Light and love in hearts, high aspirations stay in our minds. Tupor Technology was founded in 2005 as a national high-tech enterprise which works on professional LED optoelectronic product development, sales, production, manufacturing, and engineering services. Our major products are LED displays and lighting series. Tupor Technology has been committed to promoting energy conservation, environmental protection, safety, green service concept to make more people enjoy Tupor Technology's products and services and experience both quality and taste of the bright world. Since the date of establishment, Tupor Technology has been adhering to the people-oriented concept to talents. With our high quality, fine craft, integrity, excellent service management philosophy, we maintain rapid growth. So far, the company has 1,000 employees. The new 30,000 square meters of office space top rank of production capacity in the industry. The company regards product quality as enterprise life and strictly implement the ISO 9001-2008 quality management system, from procurement, production to the factory process monitoring to ensure product quality. We pass TUV, UL, CE, RoHS, CCC, VDE, FCC, CB, PSE certifications. The company has strong technical strengths and sets up power, lighting, display, 3 R&D departments with a domestic famous experts and professors team in photonics industry, which won more than 60 national patents. And we established research cooperation with Shenzhen University and its LED optoelectronic joint laboratory, Shenzhen University Graduate Practice Base. Tupor has built its own unique competitive advantage in the global LED display market, contracted to build thousands of project cases, among which Korea's 65th anniversary of founding 1,000 square meters display project makes the world cheers for Tupor. Peru's National Stadium project completely conquered the warm South American people. The Malaysian project for the beautiful country make it more gorgeous. We enjoyed the first screen of South China for the Hunan Chenzhou 3 Classic projects, which made us world famous in the industry. In lighting products, LED lamps got over 450,000 individual orders, creating the industry myth. Ring lamp, Spotlight is second to none in the industry. Not only has plenty patents, but also won the Shenzhen Enterprise Innovation Record honor. Currently, the product's been sold through to Europe, America, Africa, the Middle East, Asia, and other 118 countries and regions. Tupor Technology, due to LED, creates its wonderful infinite. We are thankful, so inspired the return to social responsibility. May 12, 2008, Wenchuan earthquake. April 14, 2010, Yushu earthquake in Qinghai province. August 18, 2013, devastating floods in Guangxi Guiping. Tupor staff enthusiastically donated money, praised and paid attention by all sectors of society. Tupor Technology, with its sharp vision and forward-looking, sets integrity, gratitude, innovation, win-win as the core corporate values, which will remain committed to providing global customers with cost-effective and more energy-efficient, more environmentally friendly LED photoelectric products, together to meet a more brilliant future. Rising abruptly based on its accumulated strength, it makes light and love unlimited. Tupor Technology.